Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add permitted terms and phrases that won't be blocked or won't be called by the automate function on Twitch. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then click on the profile button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on channel. After that you should scroll down and tap on customize channel. Then tap on settings, and within settings you have the moderation subcategory, so click on it. Then go to the Automate Controls section and tap on the third one, Permitted Terms and Phrases. So as you can see, those messages that contain these terms and no other block terms will not be called by Automate. So here you can see a search bar, so you should enter the name of it and click on the Add button next to it. So basically, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.